Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Xbox 360 error, code 8015D086. The error reads, "Sorry, there's a problem with the credentials that you are using to sign in. Go to account.live.com to fix the problem." The error appears when users try to sign in or download their Xbox Live profile on the Xbox 360. According to our research, the error comes when there is an issue with your Microsoft account's credentials. This may be related to two-factor authentication or app password settings on your account. If you are getting this error and your two-factor authentication is currently disabled, then try enabling it and setting up an app password. Then check for the error. If two-factor authentication is already enabled, then try turning it off. After that, change your Microsoft account password and try signing in again. If you still get the error, then remove all existing app passwords and create a new one. After that, change your password to something simple, just letters and numbers without symbols. Then try signing in on your Xbox 360 using the new app password. If nothing works, then it may be a system-side issue from Xbox. In that case, we suggest waiting for some time and trying again later. You can also go to support.xbox.com/xbox-live-status, and check if there are any known issues with Xbox Live services. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.